What's up, guys? This is Seth with the Fabricators Lounge. Today, we're making a custom socket. So, we've got a piece of round bar, a Harbor Freight socket. We're gonna get down to business. So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out this round bar and drill a couple holes in it. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this socket, we're gonna cut a little bit of the end off, that way we've got something nice and clean to weld to. All right, so here's the piece that we had, a little piece of 1-inch shaft with 2 holes in it. Here's the piece that we just got done making. It's got a little bit of an extension on it. I don't know where that socket went. Yeah, that's cool. I guess I'll have to look for that. Oh, here it is. Anyway, we got this here socket. We cut the end off just so we have a nice smooth weld spot. We're gonna go ahead and stick that on there, just like that, and weld it. I don't know what exactly they're doing with this thing, but it's gonna make their lives easier. Otherwise, they wouldn't be paying me to do it. So, I have 2 pieces of 1/16 ER70S-6, and I'm running the old handy CK-MT200. Got it set at about 105. We'll probably go 3/4, maybe full pedal. Got a nice sharp tungsten and a number 8 ceramic cup. I'd like to touch on that for just a second. If you think you need some clear glass cup that's the size of an exhaust on a Honda Civic, you're not doing something right. We've been making X-ray quality welds for 100 years with ceramic cups. They're cheap, they're easy, they get the job done. So we're gonna go ahead and tack this up. Move the camera here. Oh yeah, there we are. So, I don't know if I'm gonna get a ground or not through this paint, but we'll find out. No? There we go. Okay, got one tack. Another tack. Whoa, I don't know what just happened there. Okay, third tack. Now we're ready to weld. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just weld it as much as I can at a time. We got way too much wind, that's our issue. Let me go ahead and shut the shop doors down. Okay, so we've got the shop door shut. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this thing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put another pass on it. That one kind of just filled up the gap where the socket was. So I'm gonna brush it off and we'll continue. Okay, so we got it all brushed off. We're just gonna put a nice good pass on it now. Okay, we got it all welded. Just like that.